OemHvacPartsCanada.ca is proud to present a product description on the Honeywell RedLINK THM6000R7001U, part of the RedLINK product range, offers internet control for RedLINK thermostats, ideal for your home automation. Compatible with up to 4 heat/2 cool heat pumps, it manages your HVAC efficiently. Its compact, white design, 3.578 inches width by 1.125 inches dx 3.904 inches height, integrates seamlessly. Operating on 20 to 30 VAC, it ensures reliability. Compatible with Prestige IAQ, Prestige, FocusPRO Smart, and EConnect devices, it fits your smart home. With dependable RedLINK technology, it allows remote thermostat control via the internet and smartphones. The package includes the RedLINK to Internet gateway, Ethernet cable, and power cord for easy setup. Upgrade your home's thermostat control with the Honeywell RedLINK THM6000R7001U for enhanced convenience. Please note that this video is just a product video. If you wish to look at more product videos, please check our YouTube channel. If you can subscribe to our channel, that would be most appreciated. Thank you for watching our product video.